Computer fundamentals. Today's world is an information-rich world, and it has become a necessity for everyone to know about computers. A computer is an electronic data processing device which accepts and stores data input, processes the data input, and generates the output in a required format. Functionalities of a computer. If we look at it in a very broad sense, any digital computer carries out the following 5 functions. Step 1 takes data as input. Step 2 stores the data instructions in its memory and uses them as required. Step 3 processes the data and converts it into useful information. Step 4 generates the output. Step 5 controls all the above 4 steps. Advantages of computers. Following are certain advantages of computers. High speed. Computer is a very fast device. It is capable of performing calculation of very large amount of data. The computer has units of speed in microsecond, nanosecond, and even the picosecond. It can perform millions of calculations in a few seconds as compared to man who will spend many months to perform the same task. Accuracy. In addition to being very fast, computers are very accurate. The calculations are 100% error-free. Computers perform all jobs with 100% accuracy provided that the input is correct. Storage capability. Memory is a very important characteristic of computers. A computer has much more storage capacity than human beings. It can store large amount of data. It can store any type of data such as images, videos, text, audio, etc. Diligence. Unlike human beings, a computer is free from monotony, tiredness, and lack of concentration. It can work continuously without any error and boredom. It can perform repeated tasks with the same speed and accuracy. Versatility. A computer is a very versatile machine. A computer is very flexible in performing the jobs to be done. This machine can be used to solve the problems related to various fields. At one instance, it may be solving a complex scientific problem and the very next moment it may be playing a card game. Reliability. A computer is a reliable machine. Modern electronic components have long lives. Computers are designed to make maintenance easy. Automation. Computer is an automatic machine. Automation is the ability to perform a given task automatically once the computer receives a program. Reduction in paperwork and cost. The use of computers for data processing in an organization leads to reduction in paperwork and results in speeding up the process. As data in electronic files can be retrieved as and when required, the problem of maintenance of large number of paper files gets reduced. Though the initial investment for installing a computer is high, it substantially reduces the cost of each of its transactions. Disadvantages of computers. Following are certain disadvantages of computers. No IQ. A computer is a machine that has no intelligence to perform any task. Each instruction has to be given to the computer. A computer cannot take any decision on its own. Dependency. It functions as per the user's instruction, thus it is fully dependent on humans. Environment. The operating environment of the computer should be dust-free and suitable. No feeling. Computers have no feelings or emotions. It cannot make judgment based on feeling, taste, experience, and knowledge unlike humans. We will discuss the application of computers in various fields. Business. A computer has high speed of calculation, diligence, accuracy, reliability, or versatility, which has made it an integrated part in all business organizations. Computer is used in business organizations for payroll calculations, budgeting, sales analysis, financial forecasting, managing employee database, maintenance of stocks, etc. Banking. Today, banking is almost totally dependent on computers. Banks provide the following facilities. Online accounting facility, which includes checking current balance, making deposits and overdrafts, checking interest charges, shares and trustee records. ATM machines which are completely automated are making it even easier for customers to deal with banks. Insurance. Insurance companies are keeping all records up to date with the help of computers. Insurance companies, finance houses and stockbroking firms are widely using computers for their concerns. Education. The computer helps in providing a lot of facilities in the education system. The computer provides a tool in the education system known as CBE, computer-based education. Computer education is rapidly increasing the graph of number of computer students. There are a number of methods in which educational institutions can use a computer to educate the students. It is used to prepare a database about performance of a student and analysis is carried out on this basis. Basic computer. Introduction to computer. Computer. A computer is an electronic machine that accepts data from the user, processes the data by performing calculations and operations on it and generates the desired outcome or result. The is derived from the Latin word computere, which means to compute. The full form of the computer is common operating machine purposely used for technological and educational research. Computer is equal to arithmetic logical unit plus control unit. ALU, arithmetic logical unit, is used to carry out arithmetic, addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication, and logical operation. CU, control unit, is used to change the order of operations in response to stored information. What are the categories of computers? The computer can be categorized in the form of its way to process certain operations. The basic categories are as follows: digital computer, analog computer, hybrid computer. Computers are divided into two types: hardware, software. Parts of computer: CPU, central processing unit, monitor, keyboard, mouse. Parts of CPU: motherboard, processor, hard disk, RAM, random access memory, ROM, read-only memory, SMPS, switch mode power supply, cabinet. Types of computer. Computers can be broadly classified by their speed and computing power. Personal computer, workstation, mini computer, mainframe computer, supercomputer. PC, personal computer. It is a single-user computer system having moderately powerful microprocessor workstation. It is also a single-user computer system, similar to personal computer, however has a more powerful microprocessor. Mini computer. It is a multi-user computer system, capable of supporting hundreds of users simultaneously. Mainframe. It is a multi-user computer system, capable of supporting hundreds of users simultaneously. Software technology is different from mini computer. Supercomputer. It is an extremely fast computer, which can execute hundreds of millions of instructions per second. Computer generations. First generation of computer. The time period of the first generation computer is from 1946 to 1954. Vacuum tubes, also known as electronic valves, were used in the first generation computer was the digital computer. Examples of first generation computer are Mark I and electronic numerical integrator and calculator, ENIAC. Second generation of computer. The time period of the second generation is from 1955 to 1964. Transistor was used in place of the vacuum tube in AR. Ferrite core was used for main memory and magnetic disks were used as a secondary memory in second generation computers. The high-level language was used. Examples of second generation computer, IBM 1620 and CDC 3600. Third generation of computer. The time period of the T is from 1964 to 1977. Integrated circuit, IC, chips were used in place of the transistor. A single integrated circuit, IC, chip can contain many transistors, registers, and capacitors. Examples of third generation computer, IBM 360 and VAX 750. Fourth generation of computer. The time period of the fourth generation is from 1978 to 1990. In the fourth generation, VLSI was used. The full form of VLSI is a very large-scale integration. An integrated circuit chip which has more than 1000 components embedded is called VLSI. Personal computers were manufactured in this generation. Example of fourth generation, IBM PC and Apple Macintosh. Fifth generation of computer. The period of the fifth generation is from 1991 to the present. In the fifth generation, ULSI chips came in wave. The full form of ULSI is ultra-large-scale integration. In the new technologies are introduced, for example AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Input device and out device. Input device. Keyboard, mouse, scanner, barcode scanner, microphone, light pen, trackball. Output device. Monitor, printer. Abbreviations related to computer. Candidates preparing for competitive exams should aware of some computer terms. These terms can directly ask in the online examination. Abbreviation. Full form. Computer. Common operating machine purposely used for technological and educational research. ROM. Read-only memory. CPU. Central Processing Unit. URL. Uniform Resource Locator. USB. Universal Serial Bus. Virus. Vital Information Resource under siege. TCP. Transmission Control Protocol. UPS. Uninterruptible Power Supply. SATA. Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. RAM. Random Access Memory. SMPS. Switched Mode Power Supply. CD. Compact Disc. DVD. Digital Versatile Disc. CRT. Cathode Ray Tube. DEC. Digital Equipment Corporation. SAP. System Application and Products. PNG. Portable Network Graphics. IP. Internet Protocol. GIS. Geographical Information System. DDS. Digital Data Storage. CAD. Computer-Aided Design. ACPI. Advanced Configuration and Power Interface. AGP. Accelerated Graphics Port. APM. Advanced Power Management. APIPA. Automatic Private Internet Protocol Addressing. HTTP. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTPS. Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Software. Software is a set of programs designed to perform a well-defined function. A program is a sequence of instructions written to solve a particular problem. There are two types of software: system software, application software. System software. The system software is a collection of programs designed to operate, control, and extend the processing capabilities of the computer itself. System software is generally prepared by the computer manufacturers. These software products comprise of programs written in low-level languages, which interact with the hardware at a very basic level. System software serves as the interface between the hardware and the end users. Some examples of system software are operating system, compilers, interpreter, assemblers, etc. Operating systems are Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Linux. Here is a list of some of the most prominent features of a system software. Close to the system. Fast in speed. Difficult to design. Difficult to understand. Less interactive. Smaller in size. Difficult to manipulate. Generally written in low-level language. Application software. Application software products are designed to satisfy a particular need of a particular environment. All software applications prepared in the computer lab can come under the category of application software. Application software may consist of a single program, such as Microsoft's Notepad for writing and editing a simple text. It may also consist of a collection of programs, often called a software package, which work together to accomplish a task, such as a spreadsheet package. Examples of application software are the following: payroll software, student record software, inventory management software, income tax software, railways reservation software, Microsoft Office suite software, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint. Features of application software are as follows: close to the user, easy to design, more interactive, slow in speed, generally written in high-level language, easy to understand, easy to manipulate and use, bigger in size and requires large storage space, shortcut keys, control-based shortcut keys, Control plus A, select all text, Control plus B, bold, Control plus C, copy, Control plus D, font, Control plus E, center alignment, Control plus F, find, Control plus G, go to, Control plus H, replace, Control plus I, italic, Control plus J, justify, Control plus L, left alignment, Control plus M, move, Control plus N, new page, Control plus O, open, Control plus P, print, Control plus R, right alignment, Control plus S, save, Control plus U, underline, Control plus V, paste, Control plus W, word, Control plus X, cut, Control plus Y, redo, Control plus Z, undo, Alt-based shortcut keys, Alt plus F4, closes the current window, Alt plus Enter, go back to the previous history if it is present in browser, Alt plus spacebar, open the shortcut menu for the active window, Alt plus left arrow, Go back to the previous history if it is present in browser. Alt plus right arrow. Go forward in the browser window. Alt plus page up. Scroll up the entire screen. Alt plus page down. Scroll down the entire screen. Alt plus E. Edits menu options in the current program. Alt plus F. File menu options in the current program. Alt plus Escape. Switch between applications on the taskbar. Windows, Win-based shortcut keys. Win plus X. Shutdown options. Win plus PRTSCN. Take a screenshot. Win plus L. Locks the computer screen. Win. Display or hide the start screen. Win plus B. Set focus in the notification area. Win plus C. Open charms. Win plus D. Used to show/hide the desktop. Win plus E. Open File Explorer. Win plus F. Open Feedback. Win plus M. Used to minimize all open windows. Win plus Shift plus M. Used to restore all minimized windows. Win plus P. Select a presentation display mode. Win plus Q. Open the System Properties dialog box. Win plus R. Open the Run dialog box. Win plus T. Navigate through applications on the taskbar. Win plus U. Open Ease of Access Center. Win plus Z. Display the commands used in the current open window. Win plus down arrow. Minimize the desktop window or clear the current app from the screen. Win plus up arrow. Maximize the window. Win plus left arrow. Maximizes the window to the left side of the screen. Win plus right arrow. Maximizes the window to the right side of the screen. Win plus plus. Zoom in using a magnifier. Win. Zoom out using a magnifier. Win plus pause break. Open System Properties dialog box. Win plus number keys. Opens the applications pinned to the taskbar. Functions shortcuts keys. F1. Display help. F2. Rename the selected item. F3. Search for a file or folder. F4. Display the address bar. F5. Refresh the active windows. F6. Move the cursor in the address bar of different browsers. F10. Activates the menu bar in the active application. F11. Used to enable and disable the full screen. F12. Used to save a file as save as. MS Excel shortcut keys. Ctrl plus B. Bold highlighted section. Ctrl plus C. Copy the selected text. Ctrl plus X. Cut the selected text. Ctrl plus V. Paste the selected text. Ctrl plus N. Open a new blank workbook. Ctrl plus O. Open options. Ctrl plus P. Open the print window. Ctrl plus F. Open the find box. Ctrl plus I. Italicize the selected text. Ctrl plus K. Insert link. Ctrl plus U. Underline the selected text. Ctrl plus G. Go to. Ctrl plus H. Find and replace option. Ctrl plus W. Close the workbook. Ctrl plus D. Font options. Ctrl plus Shift plus F. Change the font. Ctrl plus 1. Single space line. Ctrl plus 2. Double space line. Shift plus F3. Change the case of the selected text. Ctrl plus S. Save workbook. Control plus backspace deletes the word to the left of the cursor. Alt plus Shift plus D. Insert current date. F7. Spell check selected text or workbook. Shift plus F12. Save workbook. F12. Save as. F4. Repeat the last action. Control plus F6. Next workbook window. Shortcuts for inserting symbols and special characters in Word, PowerPoint and Excel documents. Alt plus 0133. 3 dots with continuation. Alt plus 0128. Euro currency. Alt plus 0136. Cap arrow. Alt plus 0139. Single annotation quotation left. Alt plus 0155. Single annotation quotation right. Alt plus 0187. Double greater than mark. Alt plus 0171. Double less than mark. Alt plus 0169. Copyright. Alt plus 0174. Registered. Alt plus 0173. Hyphen or dash. Alt plus 0161. Down exclamation mark. Alt plus 0152. Intermediate. Alt plus 0036. Dollar symbol. Alt plus 8377. Indian rupee symbol. Alt plus 0151. M dash symbol. AD. Analog to digital. ACE. Access control entry. ADSL. Asymmetric digital subscriber line. AGP. Accelerated graphics port. AI. Artificial intelligence. ALGOL. Algorithmic language. ALU. Arithmetic logic unit. API. Application Program Interface. APIPA. Automatic Private Internet Protocol Addressing. APT. Automatically Programmed Tooling. ARP. Address Resolution Protocol. ARPANET. Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. ASCII. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASF. Advanced Streaming Format. ASP. Active Server Pages. ASR. Automatic Send and Receive. ATP. Advanced Technology Attachment Packet Interface. ATM. Asynchronous Transfer Mode. AUI. Attachment Unit Interface. AVI. Audio Video Interleave. Basic. Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. BCD. Binary Coded Decimal. BDPS. Business Data Processing Systems. BIOS. Basic Input-Output System. BIS. Business Information System. BIU. Bus Interface Unit. BMP. Bitmap. BPS. Bits per second. CAD. Computer Aided Design. CAI. Computer Aided Instruction. CAM. Computer Aided Manufacturing. CAR. Control Address Register. CASE. Computer Aided Software Engineering. CCIS. Common Channel Interoffice Signaling. CCNA. Cisco Certified Network Associate. CD. Compact Disc. CDAC. Center for Development of Advanced Computing. CDMA. Code Division Multiple Access. DROM. Compact Disc Read-Only Memory. CGI. Common Gateway Interface. CGM. Computer Graphics Metafile. CIDR. Classless Inter-Domain Routing. CIM. Computer Integrated Manufacture. CISC. Complex Instruction Set Computers. CLR. Common Language Runtime. CMOS. Complementary Metal Oxide Semiconductor. COBOL. Common Business Oriented Language. CORBA. Common Object Request Broker Architecture. CPI. Clock Cycle Per Instruction. CPS. Characters per second. CPU. Central Processing Unit. CROM. Control Read-Only Memory. CRT. Cathode Ray Tube. CSS. Cascading Style Sheet File. DAC. Digital to Analog Converter. DBA. Database Administrator. DBMS. Database Management System. DCA. Defense Communication Agency. DCL. Data Control Language. DDP. Distributed Data Processing. DFS. Distributed File System. DHCP. Dynamic Host Control Protocol. DHTML. Dynamics Hypertext Markup Language. DNS. Domain Name System Server. Doc and Docs. Microsoft Word File. DOS. Disk Operating System Denial of Service. DPI. Dots per inch. DRAM. Dynamic Random Access Memory. DSL. Digital Subscriber Line. DTP. Desktop Publishing. DVD. Digital Versatile Disk. EEPROM. Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. ENIAC. Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. EPROM. Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. FDD. Floppy Disk Drive. FDMA. Frequency Division Multiple Access. FIFO. First in, first out. FLOPS. Floating Point Operations per Second. FM. Frequency Modulation. FO. Fiber Optics. FORTRAN. Formula Translation. FPS. Frames per second. FRAM. Ferroelectric Random Access Memory. FTP. File Transfer Protocol. GB. Gigabyte. GIF. Graphic Interchange Format. GIGO. Garbage in, garbage out. GUI. Graphical User Interface. HDD. Hard Disk Drive. HFS. Hierarchical File System. HPFS. High Performance File System. HTML. Hypertext Markup Language. HTTP. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Hertz. Hertz. I/O. Input-Output. IBM. International Business Machines. IDE. Integrated Development Environment. Internet Explorer. IGMP. Internet Group Management Protocol. IO. Input-Output. IP. Internet Protocol. ISAPI. Internet Server Application Program Interface. ISDN. Integrated Services Digital Network. ISO. International Standard Organization. ISP. Internet Service Provider. ISR. Interrupt Service Routine. IT. Information Technology. ITPL. Information Technology Park Limited, India. JCL. Job Control Language. JDBC. Java Database Connectivity. JPEG. Joint Photographic Experts Group. JS. JavaScript File. JSP. Java Server Pages. KB. Kilobyte. LAN. Local Area Network. LCD. Liquid Crystal Display. LSI. Large Scale Integration. LSP. Layered Service Provider. MAC. Media Access Control. MAN. Metropolitan Area Network. MAU. Multi-Station Access Unit. MB. Megabyte. MDI. Multiple Document Interface. MG. Megabytes. MICR. Magnetic Ink Characters Reader. MIMD. Multiple Instruction Multiple Data. MIME. Multipurpose Internet Mail Extensions. MIPS. Millions of instructions per second. Modem. Modulator and demodulator. MP3. Motion Pictures Experts Group Layer 3. MPEG. Motion Pictures Experts Group. MS. Microsoft. MSRAP. Microsoft Remote Administration Protocol. MSRPC. Microsoft Remote Procedure Call. MTS. Microsoft Transaction Server. MTU. Maximum Transmission Unit. NCP. Network Control Protocol. NDIS. Network Driver Interface Specification. NIC. National Informatics Center. NIIT. National Institute of Information Technology. NNTP. Network News Transfer Protocol. NS. Nanosecond. NTP. Network Time Protocol. OCR. Optical Character Readers. ODBC. Open Database Connectivity. OLE. Object Linking and Embedding. OMR. Optical Mark Reader. OOP. Object-Oriented Programming. OOPS. Object-Oriented Programming System. OS. Operating System. OSI. Open System Interconnection. P2P. Peer-to-peer. PAN. Personal Area Network. PC. Personal Computer. PCCB. Printed Circuit Board. PCI. Peripheral Component Interconnect. PDF. Portable Document Format. PDL. Page Description Language. PDU. Protocol Data Unit. PIC. Programming Interrupt Control. PILOT. Programmed Inquiry Learning or Teaching. PIN. Personal Identification Number. PLA. Programmable Logic Array. PLC. Programmable Logic Controller. PNG. Portable Network Graphics. PNP. Plug and Play. PPP. Peer-to-peer Protocol. PPS. PowerPoint Slide Show. PPT. PowerPoint Presentation. PROM. Programmable Read-Only Memory. RADSL. Rate Adaptive Digital Subscriber Line. RAID. Redundant Array of Independent Disks. RAM. Random Access Memory. RAM-DAC. Random Access Memory Digital to Analog Converter. RAR. RAR File. RAS. Remote Access Network. RDO. Remote Data Objects. RDP. Remote Desktop Protocol. RFC. Request for Comments. RGB. Red, Green, Blue. RICS. Reduced Instruction Set Computer. ROM. Read-Only Memory. RTC. Real-Time Clock. RTF. Rich Text Format. RTOS. Real-time operating system. SAM. Security Access Manager. SAP. Service Access Point, Systems Applications Products. SCMP. Software Configuration Management Plan. SIM. Subscriber Identification Module. SMP. Symmetric Multiprocess. SMS. Short Message Service. SMTP. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SNA. System Network Architecture. SNAP. Sub-Network Access Protocol. SNMP. Simple Network Management Protocol. SNOBOL. String-Oriented Symbolic Language. SOAP. Simple Object Access Protocol. SPX. Sequenced Packet Exchange. SQA. Statistical Quality Assurance. SQL. Structured Query Language. SRAM. Static Random Access Memory. SRS. Software Requirements Specification. STP. Shielded Twisted Pair. SVVP. Software Verification and Validation Plan. TB. Terabytes. TCP. Transmission Control Protocol. TCP/IP. Transmission Control Protocol Internet Protocol. TDI. Transport Data Interface. TDMA. Time Division Multiple Access. TPM. Transactions Processing Monitor. TSR. Terminate and Stay Residence. TXT. Plain Text File. UDP. User Datagram Protocol. UML. Unified Modeling Language. URL. Universal Resource Locator. USB. Universal Serial Bus. USRT. Universal Synchronous Receiver Transmitted. UTP. Unshielded Twisted Pair. WAN. Virtual Area Network. VAST. Very Small Aperture Terminal. VB. Visual Basic. VC++. Visual C++. VCD. Video Compact Disc. VDL. View Definition Language. VDO. Visual Display Unit. VGA. Video Graphics Array. VHS. Video Home System. VLIW. Very Long Instruction Words. VLSI. Very Large Scale Integrated Circuits. VPN. Virtual Private Network. VRM. Video Random Access Memory. VRML. Virtual Reality Modeling Language. Versus. Visual Studio. WAN. Wide Area Network. WAP. Wireless Application Protocol. WBM. Web-Based Enterprise Management. WDM. Wave Division Multiplexing. WHQL. Windows Hardware Quality Lab. Wi-Fi. Wireless Fidelity. Windows Me. Windows Millennium Edition. Windows NT. Windows New Technology. Windows XP. Windows Experienced. WINS. Windows Internet Name Service. WMI. Windows Management Instrumentation. WML. Wireless Markup Language. WAN. Write once, read many. WSH. Windows Script Host. WWW. World Wide Web. WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. XHTML. Extensible Hypertext Markup Language. XML. Extensible Markup Language. ZIP. Zip Compressed File.